Hi everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make pork binagoongan or pork in shrimp paste sauce. There's a lot of versions in making this dish and I've done this many times before in my own kitchen, but this version is kind of different because this one here I will make the skin of the pork really crispy. And of course, when the pork skin is crispier, then it's going to be more delicious. And I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started. But before we proceed to the first step in cooking this, let me give you a closer look at the pork that I'm using here. I am using about 2.5 pounds here of pork leg roast part. It has a fatty skin on, which is important as it will give more flavor into our dish. And I have also brined this overnight in the fridge, meaning I've soaked this in water with salt. And brining will definitely give good texture and more flavor in the meat. So we will now proceed to the first step. And so the first thing that we need to do is to tenderize our pork. And so I'm going to be using my pressure cooker here. And into this cooker, I'm going to put in my pork. These are big slabs of pork here. Let me wash my hands. And then I'm going to add water in it that's enough to cover my pork. And to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of whole peppercorn. And about 4 bay leaves. And I'm also going to add about 6 inches of chopped lemongrass. And I'm going to add about a thumb here of thinly sliced ginger. Let me make mention here that adding these aromatics will help eliminate the pungent smell of the pork. And so we're now ready to pressure cook this for 40 minutes. Using a pressure cooker is just an option here, guys. If you don't have it, you can just use a saucepan, although it may take longer time to tenderize your meat. So it's been 40 minutes and we're done pressure cooking our pork. What I'm going to do is to turn off my cooktop here and I will submerge this pressure cooker in a cold water in my sink to expedite the cooling process. So my pressure cooker here has cooled down and it's now safe for me to open it. And this is what our pork looks like after pressure cooking it. Now I will keep the broth here as well because I'm going to use it for later. And what I'm going to do at this point is to take off my chunks of pork from the pressure cooker. And then I will place it in a baking sheet here that is lined with a wire rack. Ruin the skin, but it's okay. The next step for us to do here is to brown our pork, and there's 2 ways for us to do it: to deep fry it or to bake it. And for me it's easier to bake it, and so I set my oven here at 405 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to bake it for maybe around 30 to 45 minutes, and I will be right back. And this is how our pork looks like after baking it for 40 minutes. I also grilled the skin part of it for 15 minutes, so that's why this is kind of crunchy. At this point, what I'm going to do is to cut this into fork sizes, and once that's done, we'll proceed to the next step. Look how juicy it is. The skin is so crispy and the interior of it is juicy and tender. And actually I could eat this as it is right now. And now that I'm done cutting my pork into fork sizes here, I can now saute it with the rest of the ingredients. And for that I'm going to use my saute pan here, which is now nice and hot. And I'm going to put olive oil in it. olive oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna add my 1 onion that is minced. Give it a mix. I'll season it with a bit of salt, just a little pinch. By the way, I've just added my 8 cloves of finely minced garlic here. And I'm mixing them well together with my onions. I'm gonna let my onion and garlic be cooked. And now my garlic and onion are cooked, I'm gonna add in my 2 minced tomatoes here. Give it a mix. And now that my tomatoes are wilted, I'm gonna add in my pork. I'll give it a good mix. And into this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sauteed shrimp paste. As you can see, I'm not putting all of my sauteed shrimp paste here because I'm not sure about the taste. It might be too salty, so I've reserved this one here for later. Give it a good mix. And I'm going to use half a cup of the broth. And into this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar. I will give it a mix. And at this point, I'm going to put the lid on, let this come to the boil, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And now that this is already simmering, what I'm going to do is to check it for salt. The taste is already okay, but I need more sauteed shrimp paste on it. So I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of it and just spread it in the mix here. And before I would put the lid back on, I'm going to add 2 red thigh chili peppers that I have chopped. And 1/4 cup here of white vinegar. Now because I've just put in my vinegar here, I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put the lid back on here and let this come to a boil and simmer again. So now that this is simmering, what I'm going to do is to give it a good mix. As you can see, my pork is bathing a lot of sauce here. This is contrary to what I want to achieve because I want my pork binagoongan to be on the dry side. So what I'm going to do at this point is to let this continue to simmer without the lid on to reduce the sauce. And I'm going to move them around once in a while. And once this is dry enough for me, we're going to taste it and see if it's ready to serve. I'll be right back. So the sauce here is finally reduced, and this is exactly where I want my sauce to be. And my pork binagoongan is dry, but the fat from the pork has all rendered out. The pork is tender and juicy. I'm just going to give it a final mix. And give it a final taste here if we need any sugar, vinegar, or salt for that matter. So this is perfect and I don't need to alter anything. And now it's ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm back here with my pork binagoongan or pork in shrimp paste sauce. And it's so fragrant, I want to taste it right now. I'm going to taste one piece of lean meat here. It's really tasty, no kidding. The blend of all the ingredients, the tanginess from the vinegar, the saltiness from the shrimp paste, as well as the sweetness from the sugar, they've all blended together and lend their taste to this dish. It's really so savory and exactly what I envisioned my pork binagoongan or pork in shrimp paste sauce to be. So I hope you guys would give it a try, and once you do, please let me know what you think about this dish by writing down your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.